To make a time series plot in Excel, you want to highlight the columns that you need in your data. So I'm going to click Control and click on column A. That's my time column. And then whatever you want the Y value to be, I'm going to click on that column. So, I do A and then I hold Control down, I click B, and I've selected those two columns. If I wanted, for whatever reason, to do time over this column, I could do that as well. You'll have to do something like that in your project 5. So I'm going to select time, Control, select the column that I want to be the Y values. Then I go up to Insert, and I go to this little guy right here. This is Insert Line or Chart. This one is not the same thing. This line, spark line, is not what we want. We're going to go over here to Line, and I'm just going to click the very first one, Line, and it does it for me. So it makes the time series plot, and so that's it. To complete this assignment, I'm going to click on the snipping tool, open that, and I'm going to click New. I'm going to snip the picture that I want. I've snipped it. Then I'm going to click up here to save it. I'll save it somewhere to maybe my desktop as Project 5. You can keep it as a PNG if you want. And then I'm going to simply go to Campus Web and upload that picture, and that's all I need to do to get credit. So that's how you can make a time series in Excel. I hope that's helpful.